Culltive was created to enable new experiences with nature. It solves all the difficulties of planting, no matter how much space, lighting, or time you have available. Our equipment joins three main pillars: technology, sustainability, and design. With Culltive, you will have an automated structure and a complete application that will guide you through all stages of planting. Through our app, you will be kept up to date on the progress and demands of your small garden, ensuring an intuitive and fun experience. The automated structure will keep your crop flourishing, as it will read the environment through various sensors that will activate the irrigation system and lighting when necessary. Your only concern when using Culltive will be to pick your favorite crops to plant and to harvest. All of this was developed to make your relationship with planting easy and pleasant. Culltive, nature closer to you.